Good morning, mathematicians. Today we are going to be working in Lesson 5. We are going to solve word problems involving time intervals within 1 hour by adding and subtracting. Let's take a look at number 1 on our problem set. It says, Cole read his book for 25 minutes yesterday and for 28 minutes today. How many minutes did Cole read altogether? Model the problem on the number line and write an equation to solve. We're actually not going to use a number line for this one because I think it's just easier if we don't use one, and I'll show you how we can. So let's take a look at the first sentence. It says that he read his book for 25 minutes yesterday and then 28 minutes for today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a tape diagram. I'm going to write 25 minutes in one square and label it Y for yesterday. And then I put another box and made 28 minutes in the box and wrote T for today. They want to know how many minutes he read altogether. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 25 minutes and I'm going to add 28 minutes to it. Go ahead and solve and then write your answer as a statement. Don't forget to pause the video while you work and replay when you're ready. Let's start at the ones. 5 plus 8 is 13. I'm going to write the 3 and carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. So that means that Cole read for 53 minutes all together. Let's look at number 2. It says that Tessa spends 34 minutes washing her dog. It takes her 12 minutes to shampoo and rinse, and the rest of the time to get the dog in the bathtub. How many minutes does Tessa spend getting her dog in the bathtub? Draw a number line to model the problem and write an equation. We're actually not going to draw a number line for this one. We're going to use a tape diagram instead, but we are going to write an equation to solve. So I'm going to start at the very first sentence and just take it sentence by sentence based on the information they gave me. So it says, Tessa spends 34 minutes washing her dog. So that means I'm going to draw a big piece of tape. She spends that whole time washing her dog, so that is going to be the total of 34 minutes. It takes her 12 minutes to shampoo and rinse. So I'm going to write S for shampoo and R for rinse. The rest of the time, it takes her to get the dog in the bathtub. So I'm just going to leave that as a question mark. They want to know how many minutes she spends getting her dog in the bathtub. So if I'm given the total, but I'm missing a piece of my tape diagram, what math operation do you think I'm going to have to use here? If you answered subtraction, you're correct. So I'm going to take 34 minutes and I'm going to subtract 12 minutes. Go ahead and solve. Don't forget to put your answer in a statement. Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready. So I'm going to start in the ones. 4 minus 2 is 2, and 3 minus 1 is 2. And I'm going to make sure I put my label down there as well. So that means Tessa spent 22 minutes getting her dog in the bathtub. I'm certainly glad Bruiser and Lucy don't take that long to get in the bathtub. Okay, let's take a look at number 3. It says Tessa walks her dog for 47 minutes. Jeremiah walks his dog for 30 minutes. How many more minutes does Tessa walk her dog than Jeremiah? So what I'm going to do for this one is I'm going to use a tape diagram. This time I'm going to make one piece of tape, and I'm going to label that T for Tessa. It says that she walks her dog for 47 minutes. Then I'm going to make another piece of tape for Jeremiah. But I'm not going to make this one as big as Tessa's because he only walks his dog for 30 minutes. The question is asking how much more time does Tessa walk her dog than Jeremiah? What math operation do you think I'm going to use to find the difference in between those two times? If you answered subtraction, you are correct. So I'm going to take 47 minutes and I'm going to subtract 30 minutes. Go ahead and solve this one on your own, and don't forget to write your answer as a statement. Pause the video while you work and replay when you're ready to check your work. I'm going to start with the ones. 7 minus 0 is 7. 4 minus 3 is 1. So that means that Tessa walks her dog 17 more minutes. You did a great job working on those word problems today. Your assignment is to do number 5 on the problem set. Check your answer with the answer keys at the front of the room. When you are finished, put your problem set in your take-home folder on the Leave at Home side. Don't forget to grab an exit ticket. Put your name on it and complete the exit ticket. Once you have finished with the exit ticket, put it in the turn-in tray. See you next time.